Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and a try on of the Ipsy April bag. And you guys, this bag is so cute. Here's what it looks like. It has like little lemons all over it, and I love the zipper on it. It opens actually from the front and you have all the products inside. So I'm going to be demoing the products, and I have to say I'm really excited about this month's bag. Before we get started though, if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 days a week. So Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And a huge thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video. And let's dive in. So if you guys don't know what Ipsy is a monthly subscription service where you get 5 personalized products sent to you every single month. You also get these super cute bags that the products come in. And again, this one is the April bag. I'm going to give you a close-up just that way you can see exactly what it looks like. And I love how bright and fun this bag is. Okay, so the very first product that I have in my Ipsy April bag is from Pur Lisse. And this is their Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. And you guys, it smells so good. It smells exactly like watermelons. And honestly, I already want to get a full size of this because that's how much I loved it. So the Energizing Aqua Bomb is a lightweight, oil-free gel cream that instantly refreshes and hydrates your skin. Obviously has watermelon in it because it is called the Watermelon Aqua Bomb. But the watermelon is packed with vitamins A, B, and C to energize and hydrate your skin. And then it also has aloe vera, cucumber, and white tea. So it protects the skin from cellular damage, reduces inflammation while it is soothing your skin. It felt very hydrating. And again, I'm just a sucker for fruit smelling products, so I really like this one. I've actually tried another moisturizing product from Pur Lisse, and it made my skin feel so good as well. So I feel like all of their moisturizing products are just really good, and I'm excited that I got this one in my bag. Okay, the very next product is from Aqua London, and this is their Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. And this is actually in a travel size, and it is their Carbon Black. And you guys, this eyeliner is so dark. I love it. So the shade of this is Carbon Black, and it is super duper black. It's waterproof, long wearing, fade proof, and again, the blackest black that you can imagine. I love having an eyeliner that goes on super dark because I hate having to like reapply eyeliner or do it in like layers. So this one's really great for that. It also has a super precise brush tip on it, and you get the color payoff in one single stroke. And again, this is from Aqua London. I've actually used this in the past and I've really enjoyed it. I feel like sometimes different eyeliners that you can use, like they start off really dark, but then, you know, maybe after a couple uses of the eyeliner, the color kind of fades out. And like I said, I've used this before and for long periods of time. And it always works really nicely. And I love, again, how dark it is. It's super easy to get your wing like nice and sharp when you have a precise tip like this one has. Okay, the very next product is from Nomad Cosmetics. And this is an eyeshadow. So this eyeshadow is in the shade Kreuzberg. And the shade is from their Berlin Underground palette. One thing I really appreciate is how intense the color is on it. It has extra fine pigments and hemp seed oil, which is supposed to provide an intense color payoff, which you definitely can see that I got on my eyes. And I love the shade. I feel like it's not something I would typically wear, but now that I have it on, I'm like, oh, I really like this. I feel like it's really nice to have shades that you can dress up like a neutral eye look, and that's what I did with this one. I just put on some like light browns, and then really the pop of color is going to be my eyelid shade. So again, from Nomad Cosmetics in the shade Kreuzberg. Okay, now to the 2 lip products that I got in the bag. And I have both of these on right now. I actually have them layered. So the very first one is from Pong Cosmetics, and this is their lip oil. And it's a color-infused hydrating oil. So as you can see when you first take it out of the box, it looks like a super red shade, and it's in the shade Watermelon. It's a therapeutic lip conditioner that fuses all the benefits of a balm and a gloss without the gooey stickiness. So it's super duper comfortable on the lips. It hydrates them. It smells really good. I think it's so funny that I got 2 watermelon products because I love the smell of watermelon, but it smells really good and it's super comfortable on the lips. I feel like it's a Your Lips But Better color. Like, it gives your lips a little bit of a tint, but it's not overpowering. So if you want to wear it without makeup or with makeup, I feel like you'd be good to go. But very, very hydrating. So I love that product. And then the very last lip product is from Sarafine Botanicals. And this is their Berry and Juice 100% vegan lip gel. And I feel like because it's a gel is the reason I liked it so much. I just love really comfortable lip products. And this shade is so beautiful. It's what I'm wearing right now. So the shade that I got in my bag is a Rose Current. And it is a uniquely textured lip gel that provides shine without the stickiness. So again, super duper comfortable. It's a long-lasting hydration with a little bit of color. It almost has like a shimmer sheen to it. Lip products that are hydrated, and I feel like a lot of them don't have stickiness to it. So like, even though I'm wearing this, I can go like this with my lips and they're super comfortable and it still feels super hydrated even though I've been wearing this for probably like an hour or so. But yeah, that is going to complete all of my Glam Bag products for this month. Again, a big thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video. I love doing these unboxings and try-ons for you guys. And I've found so many products over the last few months that I have just loved. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know down below what product you're hoping to get in your Ipsy bag, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.